Welcome, my name is Manfred Zündorf. In the following video we are going to show you how to geocode addresses very easily. We will use the program IC-Geocoding from the company Profit 100. This program it is an excellent in offers a precise geocoding of excellent quality. The program convinces with its outstanding features such as the integration of Microsoft MapPoint and the interactivity with Google and Bing Maps. You can use the results, latitudes and longitudes in GIS programs as well as in ERP applications. The program is matching your needs. You will get detailed coverage. Maps for US, Canada and most countries of Europe are already included. The privacy is built in. We do care about your data. Data stays on your computer and not in the cloud. You will get powerful features. The features for address validation are unbeatable. Validating features include interaction with Google and Bing. You will get a business-friendly license. A very powerful geomarketing program, Microsoft MapPoint, is already included. And last but not least, it's a simple pricing. It's a lifetime license. There is no limitation on how many addresses you want to geocode and validate. For geocoding, we use a program Microsoft MapPoint with NAVTEC road data contained therein. As the database is local, the speed of geocoding will be very high. In the following example, we show how to geocode more than 1,000 addresses of chambers of commerce in the United States. We are using addresses of the United States, but you can also geocode the addresses of many European countries. This program is an excellent in, and for your convenience we placed it on the custom toolbar. You see it here. For geocoding itself, only 3 steps are required. First, the basic settings, then the column assignment, and then you can start with geocoding. We now will begin with basic settings. Here you decide whether you want to geocode North American or European addresses. You can set a default country and you can set the program language, English or German. You can set the default search engine and you can activate the batch geocoder. Okay, that's it. We now start the column assignment. We move it a little bit down, and in this area of the input mask, we define the columns in the Excel sheet we will use for geocoding: street address, zip code, city, state, and so on. The 6 fields in the upper range are available for free. It makes sense to fill them with additional address data. We click on Create New Columns, we say Save, and that's it. We finish settings. We now start geocoding. Geocoding happens very quickly because the program directly accesses the locally stored 2 GB of NAVTEC street data. With a standard PC you can easily do up to 1,000 geocoding per minute. That's great. The accuracy achieved is very good. If for an address the exact coordinates are not found, this record will be colored red. Of the 1,193 addresses, 97% could be geocoded immediately. That's excellent. The quality of geocoding is marked with a symbol. You see here, and you see G means 100% matching, G question mark means it has been found, but you have to check it, and M indicates the highest level of quality since the exact position was taken from the internet. Addresses which are not found can be edited by using the verification dashboard. We open it. You see here, the address is 130 Park Square Lane in Madison. It wasn't found. And therefore, for this purpose, we start the Google online address search. Google finds this address and the coordinates can be accepted. Just say apply, say OK, geocode and continue, and that's it. Okay, the next address, Alabama Highway in Moulton, was found immediately, the same way. We also say apply, we update the address, and we have a look at Google Maps, you see here. In the satellite mode, we can shift the position wherever we want. We move it to the position we want to have it. The new position is now 100% accurate. That's the highest quality of geocoding. If the Google address search was not successful, just try in Bing. You see here, it was not found in Google. We can try it in Bing. And we zoom in and we go to bird's eye and you will see the building. It's the same way. We say apply. We update the geocodes and we go on. You see here's obviously an error. There's a post box in the street address. That's not correct. We say test. It's found immediately. We change it in the Excel sheet and that's it. We say geocode continue. Here's the same. Church Street was written twice. It's corrected. We go to address. And you see here we have got it. And now we go to Google Maps. A look at Google Maps shows the building in full size, and we position the pin exactly in front of the entrance. You see, we move it here. We say geocode and continue, and that's it. Okay, and now we will have a closer look at the results. In order to do so, we filter only those which are not 100% correct. At a total of about 1,000, these are only a few. You see here? Here the zip code is different. For these marked with N, the postal address was not found. In this case, the geocoordinates of the postcode are displayed. Here the street name is correct, but the house number was not found. With the Google Geocoder plugin, we can update those addresses. We move the program in the upper left corner and click on Start. For using the Geocoder plugin, you will need a Google API, which you can receive from your Google account. On the right-hand side, you can see how the Geocoder updates the addresses. It happens very, very fast. Using the Google Geocoder brings an improvement of up to 75% at the addresses not previously found. We scroll down and you see all addresses which are geocoded with highest quality. And now we want to map all those addresses. Okay. Therefore, we open the Microsoft program MapPoint, but you can use all other geomarketing programs as well. We open the Excel sheet, Chambers of Commerce, and we say Finish. It happens very, very fast. And now we select a push pin. We will choose a small one because of the number of addresses. Okay, you see all chambers of commerce on a map of the United States. When you click on the push pin, the balloon will open and you will see all the information. Okay, that's it. Let's go on. Now we will show you some additional features for validating addresses. In this case, we select the address line of Alaska Chamber of Commerce and open the verification dashboard. When we click on the legend of a field with a hyperlink, the browser will open this website. It's quite easy. And the browser will open Google or Bing search if the content is not a hyperlink. We can search for everything we want. If you want to add additional information to your database, you can do it very easily by copy and paste. Another powerful feature are predefined fields, which you can configure yourself. We go back to Google Maps. We will show you now the Alaska Chamber of Commerce in satellite view. With Street View, we will have a very nice view on the Chamber of Commerce. Okay. We briefly summarize. IC-Geocoding is one of the best geocoding programs currently available. And even if you are using other geomarketing programs than Microsoft MapPoint, it could be worth to test it. If you are interested, please contact us. Thank you for your attention.